Welcome, myself Induprabha. I am from Government ITA Patiala and working as electronic instructor, and my technical qualification is Diploma in Electronics and Telecommunication. Now today we will discuss how electronics technology is useful for the self-employment and entrepreneurship. Now, this program is organized by CDEC Mohali, and from the first we will discuss about the what is electronics. The branch of physics and technology which is concerned with the design of circuits by using transistors, microchips, and the behavior and movement of electrons in semiconductors, conductors, vacuum and gases. Then industrial application. Electronics paid great application in industry like automatic sensor using, then automatic sound controls, then automatic door openers. Like these applications are very useful in industries. Then in medical services also, like ECG or X-rays is the great revolution by the electronics. Now in digital electronics we can see computer, digital cameras, and DVD player. These are the wonderful applications of electronics. And in instrumentation also, like our equipments, signal generator, CROs, pattern generators, frequency counters, and pH meters. These are the wonderful applications of electronics. Now we will discuss about the what activities are carried at the ITE levels. At ITE levels, we train the training about the basic concepts of active and passive components and their applications. In the second phase, we also train the training in how to measure the different parameters on electronics equipments. Then how to diagnose the fault in electronic instruments, equipments, then repair and maintenance of computer hardware and networking, then repair and maintenance of UPS, SMPS, inverter, solar power system also, and also the repair and maintenance of electronic communication equipment and fiber optics, or main installation and maintenance of LED and LCD and cell phones. These activities are carried out at the ITE venue, and we train the trainees according to the industry fields also. Now let us discuss the self-employment opportunities in the electronics field. How we can start our own business in the electronics field. First of all, like mobile, we can open mobile repair shop. There are great opportunities, like we can keep accessories of mobiles, like lamination of mobiles, and headphones, then mobile guards, CDs, DVDs, pen drives, and other accessories. Other than that, we can also tie up with the other telephone companies like Nokia, Samsung, LG, for the other services to customers. Then there is a great opportunity in computer field also, like we can open a computer assembly shop and repair shop also. We can import the assembled card for computer assembly and also the repair for the computers. In the next advance, we can also networking in the big organization with the annual contacts. By doing annual contacts with the big organization, we can also adopt as a self-employment business. Next, we can also start the very low budget business like LED lights and decoration lights. Recently, you all have known about the Nobel Prize winners of low carbon LEDs in this field by three Japanese. This can also flourish business like in function parties or in festival seasons. Then we can also open the repair of inverters. Inverters in every home or in every offices we use inverter. Inverters repair shop is a very good business. Then we can also open the electronics goods repair shop for the repair of equipment in the electronics field. Then we can also do the dealership or franchise with the multinational companies for the self-employment. But this franchise or dealership business is a very high budget business. Now, what is the importance of own business? What are the benefits of own business? We know by doing job in private companies or in government sector, uh, we follow the orders of others. Then in this own business we become the boss of ourselves, or we can get the personal financial gain. But we can take decisions also independently, and we can develop more industry or give opportunity to others also. And there is more job satisfaction and flexibility in the self-employment business, and also provide the opportunities for the next generation. That is why own business or self-employment is very important for uh, own business. Now we will discuss the business life cycle. How the when we start the business, how the business grows from starting point to the exit point. In the starting, first of all, first step is seed. Like, we think about the business, what type of business and what product we will start. Then second step is startup. Then in this step we will uh, take a first step in the development of business. Then in the third step, that is growth, we will start the production. Here in production we will first produce the trial batch. After diagnosing the mistakes in the trial batch, we can produce the in the huge production, or we can start the production. In the fourth step, when we are established in the business, we can also survey the markets, like market trends, how we can survive long in the market. Then when we are well established in the market, we can expand our business, like uh, in business like computer assembly, we can also do with the networking also. This can we can expand the business very smartly. Then the next step is mature. Now we are too mature in business. In this we will check our discrepancies, like which are our mistakes, which are our strengths, so we can well establish in the market. Then if we are not established in the self employment, we can exit from the business or entrepreneurship. We have to check the what type of raw material or machinery we have used. We have to dispose it, so we can get the uh, actual amount of that investment. This is the business life cycle of self employment.